Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Gumby. Let's get started at the top of our page with the eyes. So I'm going to move over to the left side of center and draw an oval. Starting from the very top, and work our way around to the bottom, and then back up towards the top. I'm going to leave a small gap in the center and draw the same thing on the right. So let's line up the top of the oval, and work our way down towards the same height, and back up towards the top. Now we want to shift the pupils down towards the bottom right side. So starting on the inside edge of the left eye, we curve around, we're going to draw a circle, and come back in. We're going to line this up on the right side and do the same thing. Now let's move to the center and draw a triangle for the nose. We're going to start in the center with a point, angle down and out towards the left, go back to the center, angle down and out towards the right. Now let's close out the bottom with a straight line. Now we're going to step down and draw in the mouth. So let's start on the left side underneath the left eye, curve down underneath the nose, and then back up on the right. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to curve down a little bit lower in the middle, and go back up towards the top. Now let's move up and draw in the eyebrows. Just above the left eye, we're going to draw a curve going up, and then down. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now I just want to thicken up the eyebrows. So we're going to start back on the left side. We're going to go up a little higher in the middle, and then back down. Now we're going to move up and draw on the top edge of the head. So above the left eyebrow, we're going to step up. We start with a curve going across and up towards the right. Now let's go back to the left side. We're going to round up the side of the head. And we're going to angle down and in towards the bottom of the head. Let's go to the right side and do the same thing. So we're going to round this out. And we're going to come down at an angle to the same height that we have on the left. Now let's move back to the left side and draw on the arm. We're going to have it raised up like he's waving. So let's start at the bottom of the head. Start with a curve going out, go up, and we're just going to turn that in slightly. Let's round out the thumb. So from this line, we're just going to curl this around and then back out. Now we're going to draw on the hand. Starting from the thumb, we're going to curve up and then hook that back down on the side. Now we want to taper the arm so it's a little bit thinner as we come back towards the body. Starting out here, we're just going to blend into a curve, and we're going to reduce that gap in between the two lines in towards the body. Now let's move over to the right side. This arm is going to be hanging down the side. So we start at the base of the head, curve out, come down towards the hand, and we're just going to round out the hand, pulling that back up. Let's add in the thumb. So from here, we're just going to curve in, round out the thumb, and then go back out. Now we're going to round out the arm and pull that back in towards the body. So we're going to taper the arm so it gets a little bit narrower as we come back up. Now from here, we want to draw on the side of the body coming down towards the leg. So let's start on the left side. We start by coming straight down. Now we're going to curve this out towards the left, towards the bottom of the feet. Let's go to the right side and go in the opposite direction. Come straight down, and then curve out towards the right, towards the same height that we have on the left. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left, we're going to curve down and then back up. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting from the outside, we'll curve down and then back up. Now let's go back to the left side. We're going to draw a straight line going up towards the lower torso. Straight up to right about there. Now I'm just going to round this out. Round it out and come back down. Now we just want to pull this down towards the inside of the right leg. Coming down and then out. Now the last thing we're going to do is add a little indent along the top of the foot. So we're going to start on the left side. It's like drawing a large U. Coming down in the middle and then back up. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Coming down and then up. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Gumby. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.